We have some big crypto news to talk about in the cryptocurrency market today. So what are the important stories that you need to be aware of? We are going to be breaking it down right now, plus the crypto prices. Where are they going right now? Where can they go in the future? We'll be talking about that. So make sure to smash the thumbs up button. Let's get straight into the video. So the first thing I want to let you guys know is there has been a little bit of a bullish recovery in the stock market. And this is good. So you can see right here, Dow leaps 700 points on hot jobs report. NASDAQ notches 6 straight winning week, and that's good. So again, there is a correlation effect to the stock market. I don't think the US is completely out of the woods. There is a lot of money printing still going on, but I actually think that's going to be good for the crypto prices. So a bit of a recovery in the stock market, and a lot of that FUD to do with the debt ceiling has now blown over to some degree. It's going to get pushed up and things will continue to operate how they've normally been operating. So the debt ceiling FUD potentially blowing over, and we have seen, you know, a bit of an upswing in the crypto prices to a minor degree, but you can see right here, you know, Bitcoin has been pushing upwards over the last couple of months, which has been really nice to see. Another very important thing to be aware of is Fortnite's official Twitter account hacked to promote cryptocurrency. So potentially more hackers, more scammers in the crypto space, this time targeting the Fortnite Twitter account to potentially post phishing links, malicious links. And it says here, from the official Epic Games, we removed a tweet falsely promoting an ETH account from FNC Competitive. Fortnite is not involved in the sale of any cryptocurrencies, and posting access is currently disabled on the account while we investigate. And you guys have to be, and you guys are probably aware of this. So if you're watching this video on YouTube, what you're going to be aware of is there's going to be scammers in the comment section below, and particularly over on Twitter right now. There's going to be tons of scammers, particularly if you search for, you know, cryptos like Pepe, Loyal, etc. You're going to see links to very dodgy, malicious websites, potentially like these ones right here. And if you do click some of these links, potentially you can lose your entire crypto account if you have a MetaMask or Trust wallet and you're connecting through a DeFi wallet. So just be aware of that in the crypto space. Always stay safe. Watch out for that. Also, interestingly, this is a funny story. So US senators still think Bitcoin adoption in El Salvador could pose a threat. So this is absolutely ridiculous, but let's just cover it anyway because it is funny to read about this stuff. So while El Salvador attracts more tourists, American lawmakers are still pushing for a risk report on whether the Bitcoin-friendly nation is a potential threat to the US. So again, you know, El Salvador pushing Bitcoin, and you guys know Bitcoin has a limited supply. There is no debt ceiling push up on Bitcoin. Once you have 21 million, that's it. Okay, there is no infinite money printer like Joe Biden has and like the US government has. And is that potentially why these senators are getting worried, because their Ponzi scheme is getting exposed? So, but what we have right here is Senators Jim Rich and Bob Mendez, ranking members and chairman of the Senate Foreign Relations Committee, reintroduced a bipartisan bill asking for a State Department report on El Salvador's adoption of Bitcoin and potential impacts on bilateral economic relations and law enforcement cooperation. And I have to say, look, this is just massively disappointing, because you guys know these guys should probably focus on fixing you know, their own states in the USA. There's probably some good things they could improve right there, and they should leave El Salvador alone. So I think El Salvador is doing some great things with Bitcoin mass adoption, and that's my take on it. So I'm completely opposing whatever these guys are saying in their silly bill, and but that's what they're focused on. I don't know why they're focused on El Salvador and Bitcoin. Bit of a silly article right there, guys, but we have to cover these stories sometimes. But definitely an interesting story developing right there. And if we do take a look at the crypto prices today, you can see there has been a bit of recovery in the Pulse cryptocurrency. So PulseX is this Pulse chain as well. So they have recovered around 30%. Potentially some bullish recovery news happening with Pulse chain. Hex is up 15%. So what's going on there? Anyone holding some Hex, comment down below. And a lot of the cryptos are actually up in the green today. So again, if we zoom in. So if we zoom in on the Bitcoin price in the last few days, couple of weeks right here, you can see there has been some volatility. So we did go from around this 26,000 level. We got up to a recent high of around 28,000. And there was a bit of a retracement, right here, and a bit of a retracement. But right now, you know, a bit of a bullish ascent right there, so we can keep that momentum going. that's going to be very exciting for the Bitcoin price. But, you know, if I'm really going to get excited about the Bitcoin price, what do I want to see? So I want to zoom out on this graph, and you can see just by zooming out, we are still trading at micro levels on the Bitcoin price. We're trading around this, you know, $27,000 range for Bitcoin. But I'm thinking, you know, long term, you know, we want to smash through these all-time highs. So we saw two highs in the last few years. One was at around the 64K, and then there was a big retracement right here, but then again picked up steam, and the Bitcoin price went up to around $67,000. I'm seeing right here on this chart, actually $69,000, and that has been the two twin peaks of the Bitcoin price right there. And you know, potentially, what could we looking out for in the next you know, year or so? I'm thinking, you know, the next 3 to 6 months. I still think there's going to be volatility in the U.S. economy, just with the interest rates. So if the interest rates continue to go up, I'm expecting some volatility to hit in the next few months. It could go up or down the Bitcoin price, but long term, you know, we're thinking about 2024. We're thinking about 2025. And plus, you know, I'm thinking bullish Bitcoin prices. So if we can smash through these twin peak levels, 64, 69K, that's going to be exciting. And I'd love to see Bitcoin hit its first 100K. So once we hit the 100K level, that's going to be extremely exciting. And that's what I want in the crypto market. 100 grand Bitcoin over the long term as a first step, as an immediate as an interim price target in the medium term. That would be very, very good to hit for this crypto, and that's also going to bring up the rest of the altcoins as well. So that's going to push up all the altcoin prices right here, which would be massively exciting as well. But guys, that is a big update on the crypto and macro market today. Smash the thumbs up button. If you guys want some free bonuses on crypto exchanges, check out MEXC. They've got some big rewards right here. You can sign up using my link, supports the channel. Also KuCoin, up to 3,200 USDT worth of bonuses if you complete some tasks over there. And if you want some extra analysis in the crypto market, you can join me in the private Telegram. We got a masterclass coming out about pre-sales today, video just covering some secret tips about them. So if you're interested, you can join up to the Patreon. But guys, thank you for watching the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Crypto Zeus signing out.